In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload tickets on SeatGeek. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I'm going to show you the tickets that I have. It's basically a game happening on June 15, 2026. It's a pre-sale ticket, okay? A game between Chicago White Sox happening on New York Stadium. Now, I wanted to upload this ticket on my SeatGeek account so I can sell them if I don't want to attend or maybe use them or whatever reasons you may have. So all I have to do is go back again to your SeatGeek account, go to your profile icon, which can be found on the top right corner, click the tickets. Here, there is an option on the tickets to click the add. This is where you can add your tickets. All right. Now, if you can't basically add it here, all I have to do is click the connect MLB account so you can add the tickets. And that's going to be the Chicago White Sox. You can import tickets manually if you click the button. You can enter the barcode if you want, or you can import tickets from your account manager if you have a White Sox account manager. It's up to you. But for now, we're going to choose the enter barcodes. So the event is, you need to select the event that you're going to attend. All right. For example, this one, click the add game. Now it would ask for the section and row. Quantity is 1. Click the next button. And now it would ask for the barcode. Okay. So for the barcode, once you have the barcode ready for you, click the upload tickets and the ticket will be added to your account here in SeatGeek. It's super simple. All right. Now, once it's added, you would be able to see the tickets here. And you have the ability to transfer that ticket if you wanted to a friend, a colleague, or a partner. Or you can also sell them here. It's up to you once the ticket has been added to your SeatGeek account. You see this? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to upload tickets on SeatGeek. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.